Welcome back, everyone. Campers from across the country enjoy a day of fun and food at Lake Tiacata. Mississippi State's Camp Jigsaw took the action outdoors as participants got in a little swimming and hanging out on the beach by the lake. The camp is geared toward young people with autism spectrum disorders, that is, and works to help them build confidence and cope with the world around them.
This is a camp that they can come to and be themselves because they're not always accepted everywhere else like they should be. And what we do is we build their social skills, their self-determination skills.
And this is the 8th year for Camp Jigsaw. One camper traveled all the way from Alaska to participate.